Layton Sports Cards, ripping a personal for Freddie H. We've got a 2021 Mosaic Football Hobby Box. All right, best of luck, Freddie. Thanks for hopping in. Let's see. Looking for 2 autographs. Box. Do this marked off real quick. All right. Here we go. Good luck. We've got blue /99, Aaron Jones. It's Aaron Jones. We have silver Von Miller. Blue chips ETN. Overdrive of Joe Mixon, but this card is pretty damaged at the top right here. You can see the dent. I will go ahead and send a box. We'll send a box with that for you, Freddie. In case you want to get that replaced by Panini. They usually do a good job about that. All right, give me 1 second. We've got debut of Micah Parsons, Michael Carter rookie, and Onwuzurike rookie. What's up, Dirty? But yeah, happy Monday, everybody. I'll be ripping until orders keep coming and the cutoff is 2 a.m. So get those orders in. There's no one up after Freddie. We've got Mosaic, Michael Strahan, red. Sweet color match there on the Young Hoku for the Falcons. In it to win it, Mosaic Jordy Nelson. We've got a debut of Najee Harris. Rondell Moore rookie and Kylan Hill rookie. We have Mosaic for the Seahawks, Sean Alexander. Red, Jalen Reagor. Montage, Overdrive, Alvin Kamara. A NFL debut of Kadarius Toney. A Christian Barmore rookie and Elijah Moore rookie. So looking for the autos here. We have Hunter Henry Mosaic. Silver debut Travis Etienne Jr. Montage Mosaic Aaron Jones. It's the Aaron Jones box. Debut Jamar Chase. Rookie of Jared Dokes and Nico Collins. We've got Mosaic Henry Ruggs III. Mosaic rookie of Hunter Long. Blue /99 Stairmasters of Matthew Stafford. Got Jalen Waddle debut. Anthony Schwartz rookie and Amari Rogers rookie. All right, first auto up for the Raiders. How about a nice little vet auto of Josh Jacobs? Josh Jacobs auto there for you, Freddie. Nice hit. One of the better vet autos you can get out of here. Got Chase Claypool Mosaic, red Marcus Allen. Got a Trey Lance debut. Devonta Smith rookie and Zaven Collins rookie. Got Mosaic Antonio Winfield Jr., silver rookie of Sewell for the Lions. Silver montage of Devin White. Got Kellen Mond rookie and a Larry Roundtree III rookie. All right, still on the hunt for auto number 2. And here it is for the Broncos. A rookie of Baron Browning. Baron Browning rookie for the Broncos. That's a tongue twister. Baron Browning for the Broncos. Got Big Ben Mosaic and silver Chris Long Man of the Year inserts. Blue chips of Trey Lance. Zach Wilson debut, Greg Newsome the second rookie, and a Justin Fields rookie base. All right, now let's see some low numbered colors. Let's see a white. Got Sticky Ricky. Rookie red, Mac Jones. There we go, Freddie. Not numbered, but a sweet red Mosaic parallel. Love the color match on that. I'll mag this one for you. Nice Mac Jones red. That's sick. I do love the color match on that. Very nice hits. We got silver blue chips of Jamar Chase. Micah Parsons rookie and Tutu Atwell rookie. All right, last pack here for you, Freddie. We've got blue to 99, Justin Fields, 58 out of 99. There you go, Freddie. 2 back-to-back last packs with some nice rookie color. Justin Fields debut to 99. Sheesh. Nobody? All right, appreciate you, Sean. We've got silver James Robinson. Introductions of Zach Wilson. Center stage silver Kyler. Surtain debut. A Gary Brightwell rookie and a Dax Milne rookie. All right, Freddie. Nice box there. Congrats on all those hits, and we'll be getting them right out to you.